Hello people, welcome back to an episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video. Now this is going to be very realistic video. So I have small hair and it's very difficult to get a hairstyle on my hair, especially when you talk about buns or braids or things like that. So I thought I can make a video for all those girls out here who have small hair, and I am going to show you 5 hairstyles which are very simple. Not very basic, but yeah, they are simple and they look absolutely elegant. So I am here for you with a tutorial of those 5 hairstyles. So without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So what we are going to do in this hairstyle is going to be, again, as I told you, very basic. We are just going to clean our hair from the front. I am leaving this small bang, like small cut in the front. You have your own choice. If you like it more cleaner, go ahead with that. But I like it with little bit of dimension to my face because my front hair do add dimension to my face. So I'm going to do that, clean my hair, go back, tie a nice ponytail, like a usual low ponytail, and then I am going to twist it around my finger and just add my clutch or whatever I like. Now my hair they have grown out a little bit, so my clutcher is not clearly visible, but I can still have that nice coconut fall. But if yours is a short hair, it would look even better. So yeah, that's the first hairstyle. For the second hairstyle, again, this is very simple. We are just going to do, this is actually inspired from my mom's hairstyle, like she used to do this back in the day, and also a little modern twist to it, right? So I am going to create this hairstyle dividing my hair into 2 partitions. So first, as I said, I'll divide my hair into 2 partitions. The top one is going to have very little hair, and you're just going to put a rubber band to it like you do a ponytail, and then you will twist it inside out, like you can see right here. You just have to create a little gap at the top and then just twist your hair inside out. And after doing that, I'm going to gather all of the hair that's left along with the twisted one, and I am going to again create a ponytail, and this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. This is my favorite hairstyle, let me tell you that. So yeah, this is if you accessorize it a little bit, like adding a bow or adding little bit pearls here and there, it would look so pretty in an event. It's perfect for Indian or Western dresses. It goes well with anything and everything. And for the third hairstyle, this is very Bollywood, old Bollywood inspired, because I saw back in the day all the beautiful heroines doing French braids and they look so pretty. You can see it on my face already. I get so excited even thinking about it. I love French braid, hence I have it on me right now with a bow. Again, this is very Bollywood inspired. Although we think these are all new things, trendy things like bow and everything, but let me tell you, these are all very old. Back in 90s, I think late 80s and 90s, all the heroines used to add this bow or a scarf on their hairstyle with a French braid. So this is that one for you guys. So we are going to start with the French braid, as I told you. Now doing it on yourself gets a little tricky, but you will get a hang of it eventually. If you don't know how to do a French braid, I will link a tutorial here. You can go and check that out because it's not that difficult. You just need to practice a little bit and you'll get a hang of it. So yeah, we'll be doing a French braid till the end, and then I'm going to do a rubber band there, and as I put the rubber band, I am going to leave the last twist into my hair, and then I'm going to add a bow to it, and it's a perfect event hairstyle. And the fourth hairstyle is going to be an open hair hairstyle, because obviously I do care for you guys and I know there are going to be girls here who love their hair open. So yeah, for open hairstyle, this is what we are going to do. So we are going to start with the middle partition. Now it depends on you whether you want to do a middle or a side partition. I would prefer a middle partition because side partition, all my hair come out, the smaller hair do come out. So I prefer middle partition. I'm going to nicely clean them and then hold them at the back and put a rubber band to it. And then because of my beautiful voluminous waves, I'm just going to nicely evenly spread them out, and they're just going to look gorgeous. And you see that fourth hairstyle is so beautiful looking but so simple to create, right? And now moving to the last one and the fifth one, I am going to do a half open hair. I'm going to tie a top knot, but it's going to be a messy top knot with lot of texture. So this is how I'm going to do it. So for this top knot, again, you need to have a very messy hair. You can't have straight, clean hair. And then I'm going to pick up the top section, tie a knot like you see me doing here. And then this knot is going to be very small, because small hair and we are picking only a small section of the hair. So we are going to add a lot of texture to it and add volume to it by just pulling little bit of strands out here and there. Your rest of the hair are just going to stay open, and this is how it looks. And guys, those are the 5 cute hairstyles that you can do every day to your work, to college, or even to the events with a little bit of accessorization. I simply love them, and I do them quite often. And if you like them, please let me know. Also, if you want me to do more such videos, give this video a thumbs up so I'll know that you need more such hairstyles, because I have a lot of them in my khazana. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. And if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until next time, take care. Ta-da!